Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial on this look. I know what you're thinking, girl, that's basic, like what are you teaching us? But I'm going to show you this go-to makeup look that literally anyone can do. It is super easy, but the key to this look is that you can literally wear any lip color and you're good to go. So these are for the days where it's like time to go out, maybe on a date, maybe a girls' night out, maybe just to lunch, brunch, breakfast, dinner, whatever you want to do. This is the look where you can pretty much wear any lip color, any outfit, and it will go. Whether it's gonna be something super dramatic, super neutral, this is the makeup look. So yeah, I think I pretty much said everything. So if you guys would like to learn how to get, my hands are just flying everywhere. If you guys would like to learn how to get this look, how to achieve this glowy bomb look, I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. For this video, this makeup tutorial, I'm pretty much going to show you a very simple, very easy makeup look that any of you guys can do, and you guys can wear it with any lip product. So here, I brought out some bold lips, some natural lips, some nude natural, same thing, but I'm going to show you guys a makeup look that you can pretty much put any lipstick on. Ooh. So we're just gonna jump straight into this look. I already did my eyebrows. What's new? I always do them off camera, but I think I'm going to be filming a eyebrow tutorial very soon. By the way, these earrings are kind of big. I don't really wear hoops, but I picked them up and they're pretty cute, and I love roses, so screams me. Okay, so starting off with primer. Again, sometimes I prime, sometimes I don't. Today is that day that we prime. So I'm going to be taking my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer as well as my MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Light to put on as a base before the foundation. Now moving on to foundation, I'm going to be taking my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and I'm just pretty much going to apply that using my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge. Honestly, I am so happy that I bought this foundation. It is a little pricey, but it's honestly so worth it, and it is my baby, my go-to. So if you have not tried this foundation, then what are you waiting for? Oh, you see that? It's sunny. Okay, so moving on to concealer. What is new? I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Light Beige. If you guys been watching me, y'all know this is my go-to. And I'm just applying it like so. That's it. Okay. And then I'm going in with my little mini Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge. I picked up a little pack of like 6 beauty sponges and they're pretty freaking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this concealer out. Alright, so now to set the face, I use 2 setting powders. So to set under my eyes, I use my Laura Mercier powder, my baby. And then recently, I've been loving this powder. So I've tried it out in the past, but I didn't like it, and I think it was because I bought the wrong shade. Duh. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and in the shade number 10, which is Fair Light. I did light medium because I didn't think I was fair, and that one was way too orange on me, so this one is perfect. So again, to set under my eyes, I use my Laura Mercier powder, and then to set the rest of the face, the Maybelline one. So we're gonna go ahead and do that magic. So before we finish this face, I want to go ahead and do the eyes first because I feel like I like to do the eyes and then the whole bronzer and it just brings everything together. Usually I do eyes first, but it tastes a little different. So for the eyes, honestly, you could just use some bronzer, but I want to go in with my Dose of Colors Friendcation palette because they just have like the perfect amount of brown shades. They're not too dark, they're not too light. So these right here is what I'm going to be using on the eyes. I was debating of going into this palette or my Wet n Wild palette because again, these shades right here are perfect. And see what I mean? Like you see these three browns, 1, 2, 3, and then you see these 1, 2, 3. They're pretty much the same. So this palette would work and also this one, but I'm going to be using the Friendcation palette because I love this palette so much. The key to this look is very neutral, very brown. You don't want to go in with some blues, some greens or anything. You just want to keep it neutral. So the first shade I'm going to be taking is Necessary, and I'm using my Morphe M533 brush, and that's going straight into the crease. And don't even worry about being light-handed. Just go in. Go right in. Using the same Morphe brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Trudel, and that is more of like a warmer brown. So this is more like a neutral, and we're gonna bring the Trudel shade to warm it up. Alright, so now for the lid shade, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to go in with the shade Basic using a Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush and apply that all over the lid. And the same shades that I used in my crease, I'm also going to just smoke them out a little bit on the lower lash line. Alright, so we're pretty much going to keep the eyes just settle like this, nothing too much. Again, we want it to match any type of lip color. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. This part is really gonna just make the whole look pop. So of course I'm using my BajariiBajariii lashes in the style Extra. I'm gonna go ahead and put these babies on. Alright, so now that these bomb lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to take my Rimmel London Nude Eyeliner. I feel like this really makes the eyes just pop. So I'm gonna apply that on the waterline. And now for mascara, I am taking my Lancome Monsieur Big, if I said that right, and just apply that onto my lashes. I really just did this face in a random order. I don't even know what I'm doing, but it's looking pretty freaking good, so who cares what order it's in. So moving on to the bronzer, I am taking my little Hoola mini bronzer, and to contour slash bronze the face, I'm going to be using my Morphe E4 brush and a Morphe M527 brush. Okay, so now moving on to the blush, I'm going to be taking this Morphe blush kit and using this peachy shade in Boss, and I'm using my Urban Studio Stippling 204 brush to apply. Okay, so now for highlights so we can glow to the gods, I'm going to be using my MAC Oh Darling highlight. This is an oldie but a goodie, but I always go back to this highlight. And guys, this stuff is pretty freaking packed, so I love it so much. And I'm using a Morphe M501 brush as well as my Morphe fan brush in M310, and this gives the best glow. I'm also going to apply this highlight onto the inner corners. And on Cupid's bow, I also forgot to set my brows, so I'm taking my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Okay, so before we apply all of the goods, all of the lip products, I'm going to set my face using my MariiiBajariii Rose Water Spray. Alright, so now that the face is pretty much done, I'm just gonna roll the clips and show you guys all of the lip products. Pretty much every freaking color you can think of that will match this look. So it's gonna be a little montage, a little dramatic, little poses. So are you ready? Let's go. So that is the completed look. After all those lip colors, my lips are feeling very chapped and stiff. Not chapped, very stiff. So I think I'm gonna stop there with the lip combo, but you guys saw it. This look can pretty much go with any freaking lip color that you want. So if you're struggling and you don't know what type of look to do, this is the one. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time your girl posts. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
We dance.